Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling this back. I already put this together and it's connected via these little pin inserts, right? So I can do this and take apart the whole curtain. Whoops. See, it comes apart. So what I'm going to do is inject or insert one of the pieces into here and move this one. Instead of against the very corner, I'm going to bring it over to the right. So I'm taking basically the end of the shower curtain bit and I'm putting it in just like this. It doesn't really need to be tight, it can just be loose. It's going to be tightened when the weight of it brings it against the other piece. So after flipping a few things around, I realized that I actually need to make one more change and put the L shower curtain piece back into the rod in a different way. So check this out. This is what I ended up with. First, I've taken the L part and placed it in here where the bolt goes, okay? So I have to be careful when I put it back on because I'm going to have to kind of squeeze it through here. So once I did that, the bolt is through the hole like it was before to hold up the curtain. And this piece is pushed in it. Now it's tight enough where it basically holds itself up, but I'm still going to put the bolt back on here. When I did that, I realized again, I got to put the curtain over it first to cut the hole for the bolt, this part, to stick out of the curtain. So I'm going to do that real quick and then show you the finished product so you can see like how it's attached to it. So here's where I got both pieces in, and I'm going to pull the curtain over it now and then reattach this. I'm going to pull it out and then reattach it and put it in. And that's where it comes in handy to have one of these. So, you know, good old pocket knife. This is what the finished piece looks like. So now I have a curve to put into the corner of this wall so that the green screen goes to my left and to my right. So there we go. Nice little curve in the ceiling from end to end. And whoop, swing back around here to the computer. And now I can take this and actually place it more center of where I sit versus off center to the left or right. I have more control over where things need to go. So that's how I've hacked my green screen. Peace out over there. You can see me in the iPhone sort of. So maybe setting up a green screen with a little curve to it, this might have been somewhat helpful, give you some ideas on how to set one up when you have to literally hack together the thing and come up with a weird solution. I ended up only using about $7 of parts to extend this out like this and give myself more coverage back yonder there where my green screen is. Cheers.